Hi, I'm Julie from the American Crochet Association. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the simple chevron stitch. For this tutorial, I'll be using Red Heart Creme de la Creme in the color Cornflower Blue, Gray, and Wood Violet. I'll also be using my Water Lilies hook from Happy Crochet Hooks in a size H, 5mm. We'll start out with a slip knot. The stitch is worked in multiples of 13 plus 2. For this example, I'm going to start out by chaining 41. To start the first row, we'll make 2 single crochets in the second chain from the hook. Now we'll make 1 single crochet in each of the next 5 chains.